Hi guys, so today we're going to be discussing point of view, and here you have a video that you can see. It's asked as you watch this clip. All right, so this is in the video. So because we're talking about point of view, I kind of wanted to get us talking about how different things make us feel and how important perspective is when we're talking about point of view. So today we're going to also follow for the lesson, we're going to follow the typical daily lesson of the activator mini lesson. Check for understanding, guided practice, and then independent practice as well. For your daily agenda, for your daily agenda, let me get this back. I have to get this squared and centered properly. Your standard is ELA SE8 RL6, Reading Literature 6. It's analyzing how differences in the point of view of characters and the audience or reader create such effects as suspense or humor. So again, we're talking about points of view is our vocabulary word, literary devices, and perspective. And the target for the day is to review point of view in Barrio Boy. How do we locate point of view to determine meaning? All right, so why point of view matters. A point of view is the perspective an author uses to give a glimpse into the world he's created. The reader may experience this world directly through the inner thoughts of a character or distantly, from the perspective of an objective observer. So go ahead and review the PowerPoint. The point of view is an author chooses can determine how the reader understands and participates. And again, just a quick review of first person is the I, we perspective, second person is the you, and then third is the he, she, it, they perspective. So go ahead and pause and try to see and correctly answer which two are true and then which one is going to be false. So hopefully you were able to deduce that point of view is never done the same way twice in a story is a lie. It's frequently done the same way. The point of view is told in first person, second person, third person, frequently throughout the story the same exact way. And then go ahead and read this short paragraph. You may pause the video if you need to. Then try to determine the point of view of our Barrio Boy conclusion. So this is the conclusion, and I'm hopeful that a couple of y'all are still reading and looking at your material. Again, nothing is graded this week. We are not really going to start diving in until next week. So think about what does he mean by not scrubbing away what made us feel foreign, and then describe his point of view. So this again is an excerpt that's taken from your readings. So what does he mean by not scrubbing away what made us feel foreign? He suggests that he feels accepted and his culture is unique and valued. So when we're talking about his point of view is that he feels like he belongs. Quick check and think about this yourself. Jot notes down. What might Rapunzel's point of view be when she finally comes down from her tower? So give a few details why you think this might be the case. She would be ecstatic, right? Curious about exploring the world. That would be probably one of her points of view. And she would also be so excited because she's been held captive for so long. So for the breakout rooms, we were reviewing Barrio, first person memoir. And please make sure to reach out with any additional questions. For your breakout rooms, I had you going here. If you're rocking it, you're ready to move on to Caged Bird Sings. And then for breakout room 3, go here if you'd like help in reviewing the unit or anything else. So hopefully you're kind of keeping up. But again, this week we're mainly just going over STAR testing. So please reach out if you need anything because I'm here for you.